Hello and welcome. I'm so excited you decided to check out our digital real estate masterclass. By the time you're done with this course, you'll have all the tools and all the skills you need to start and run a successful online business. How are we going to do that? With digital real estate. Well, what's digital real estate? Well, this is not a new concept. It goes by many names: digital real estate, rank and rent, digital landlord. The easiest way to describe it is you build an online property, a website, you get it to rank at the top of Google. When it starts generating leads, you rent that to a local business owner. So how did I get started in this? My name is Mike Conroy, and after years and years in the sales and marketing management chain for the largest corporation in the world in their space, I broke off in 2019 and started my own digital marketing agency. We offer digital marketing, social media marketing, web design, web development, and even outsourced sales management services. We figured out really early on one of the things we were really good at was building our clients' websites the right way to get them ranked at the top of Google, getting a bunch of leads coming in for them, and helping them grow their business and becoming partners in their growth. So off on the side, I started building websites and putting them up in different niches in different markets, getting them ranked, and then renting them out to business owners. I've been doing that for a few years now, and it is one of the best passive residual income programs. So after doing this for a couple of years, I decided to create a course to teach others to do exactly what I do. And there was a lot of trial and error up in those first 5 or 6 months. Now it runs like a well oiled machine. We figured out the process to do it the right way. But there are more than 30 million small businesses in the US alone, and more than 10 million of those don't even have a website. Those that do have a website, 92% of those don't even rank in the top page of Google. So to any business, new business, leads are their lifeblood. And so many business owners have no idea how to get those. So they spend money on overpriced marketing campaigns that don't work, or they hire somebody to build a website that doesn't rank, and they'll just pull their hair out trying to figure out how they're going to grow or even stay alive. Well, they say one of the best businesses to start is one that solves a problem. What we do solves a problem. We become the broker between the consumer looking for that good or service and the business owner who provides it. We're that middleman, that broker. And when we provide them with that leads, we are a partner in their growth now. When a business owner has a predictable, steady flow of good leads, they can now plan their growth. And as that lead broker, we become partners in that growth, creating a long term relationship, having these websites rent for long term. And I rent them from a couple $100 a month to thousands of dollars a month. It just depends on the niche and the market and how long the website's been around. And I don't care what your age is, what your experience level is, or what your work history is. This course walks you through step by step. It's a blueprint, step by step, from start to finish, A to Z, exactly how I do it to be successful. So you're going to learn SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. So Bing, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, TikTok, they're all search engines. And there's a way to optimize your web page for those search engines. And when you optimize it the way they want it done, they'll reward you in the rankings. So it's search engine optimization. So you're going to learn how to optimize these websites the way the search engine likes them so they'll rank at the top and you'll bring in the leads. You're going to learn keyword research. You're going to learn about meta tags and titles and descriptions, about alt tags, about backlinks and citations, how to research competitors, how to pick the right market and a profitable niche. Again, we've gone through it the first few months. It was a little struggle, a little trial and error, but that's all right. We're there now. So say you don't want to build websites or you think you don't have the tech skills. Well, we have hundreds of templates for different niches. You just pick your template for that niche, go in and customize it for that customer and that market, and you're good to go. Or let our AI tool build it for you. Enter in about a paragraph worth of information. In about 2, 3 minutes, you'll have a website completely built for you that you then have to go and customize for that market and that niche again. But once you have that up and it's running and it's built right and it's ranking, there's a button that says copy. You can hit copy and it will duplicate that website. Now you can take it to another market and you can change the information on that page with the right keywords for that new market. So it's wash, rinse, and repeat. So it doesn't take long to get a stable of these websites going. So you're going to learn how to build a website the right way. You're going to learn how to get it ranked, and you're going to learn how to price it so it's fair for both sides. We want long-term relationships with our clients so these websites stay rented forever. And you're going to learn then how to get it rented. Okay. If you have a great site and it's ranking, you can't get it rented, who cares? And that's the thing. There are 4 or 5 other programs on the market similar to this, but where we differ in 2 main areas. One, we have a formula of exactly how to price this the right way. Again, through trial and error, we figure it out. We make it attractive and affordable for the customer and profitable for us. And then we walk you through the sales process of how to sell it. In my sales experience, we give you a sales 101 crash course here. So you get templates, you get contracts, you get scripts, you get everything you need. Don't be scared by the word sales. Sales is a science. You can do it. because we walk you through exactly what to say and how to do it. So if you're an introvert, do it all by email, right? You won't have to talk to anyone. And usually after they've been renting 2 or 3 months, they come to me and ask, can I sign a long-term contract? The answer is almost always yes, because these leads are exclusive to them. A lot of people, especially the contractors, they'll buy leads from Angie's or Home Advisor or whatever it might be. They're sold to 4 or 5 other people. They got to pay a membership fee. They got to pay a monthly fee, and it's just not worth it. So we can make it to where everything we do pays for itself for them and help them grow. The other area where we differ is cost. Those other 4 or 5 programs, they're between $4,000 and $5,000. Ours is a fraction of that at $1,497. You can spread that over 12 months and get started for less than $125. So when I used to train sales managers and sales coaches and salespeople, I would always tell them, if you know what you're doing helps people, you become unstoppable, right? If you care about people at all, if you know what you're doing, your product or your service that you're pitching, if it helps people, you should be unstoppable because you want to help them. Well, this helps people. This helps business owners grow. And sometimes it even saves their business. So this is a fantastic opportunity, not just for you to be profitable, but to help someone else be profitable as well. So let's take a look real quick at some of the things inside this course. Employee to entrepreneur, earning passive residual income with digital real estate. This digital real estate masterclass is designed for aspiring entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and anybody looking to generate passive residual income through online assets, regardless of skill level or experience. So, as we start, I want to show you a little bit what's in the course here. As we start to do that, some of the people who've gone through this course uh, say that they have learned a lot more than they thought they were going to learn. They thought there's a lot more information than they were expecting, and they feel overwhelmed at first because there's so much information. But knowledge is power. So we want to make sure that you have all the knowledge you need to be successful. And as we go along, we add to this course every week. So it's going to keep getting more and more information for you to be successful. But let's take a quick look. If you've never worked for yourself before, staying motivated, having the right attitude, creating a schedule, deciding what you're supposed to do every day, even if you're doing this part time or even an hour a week, you have to have a plan. You have to have a schedule. You have to stay on track. It's a business, not a hobby. So you want to run it like a business if you want to make money with it. Next one's what can you expect? Setting expectations for success. Then we kind of go into the digital real estate model. And as you click on each of these, then our various lessons. These are modules. There are various lessons within this course. These are the modules. How to pick your niche, which is very important, and your market. Doing your research. Everything starts with the research. It has to be done correctly. There are downloads, the search worksheet that we have, our scripts, our templates, our contracts, everything, our payment forms, everything you need. You get all those in here. Some of the paid research tools, our web builder and the web builder AI. You can let the web builder do it all for you. And then how to get your domain name for your site and for all of your rental sites. And we want you to have a site of your own because it gives you legitimacy and people are going to look you up. They want to make sure you're legit before they spend any money with you. So, and then how to do our SEO, take your website live, set up your Google business profile, you can restate sites, and then how to rent them, how to track your calls, creating content, sales course. That's really one of the things that differs us from any of these other people who offer this course is the extensive amount of corporate sales and marketing training that we've had that we then put into this course. And also as former business owners in different areas, uh, this is a very definitive and detailed sales course. And we put in a built-in sales process just for you to follow. So again, we get the phone and the email scripts for download here and kind of progress reports that you want to send to your customers. How to set up your uh, electronic signatures for your contracts, how to set up your payment authorization, Facebook company page, your business structure. And then we have some other things down here. We're doing a Facebook ads masterclass, a Google ads masterclass. We will build your websites. We will do your citations. We will do your backlinks for you if you so choose. And then we do have an affiliate program. So you can sign up with our affiliate program and a 30% commission for selling this course as well. It's not a master resale rights course. You're just an affiliate. So you're not buying this course to resell it. If you want to join our affiliate program, you can. So I want to show you a couple other things now as far as our success that we've had. Everything else you're going to need to get this course up and running. You're going to really enjoy going through and learning all of this. At any time, we can jump on the phone and help you if you have any technical issues or just have questions. We'll also do some things with inside the community as well. So that's just a real quick look at what's in this course. So I want to show you a little bit about some of the ranking we've done. So we'll go ahead and look at a few sites we've put up and where they're ranking. So Concrete Contractor, Bloomington, Illinois. We are number one. Let's go ahead and look at Patio Concrete in Peoria, Illinois. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and look at Concrete Patio in Peoria, Illinois. We're number one. Okay. Take a look at Affordable Painters in Peoria, Illinois. So there's Affordable Painting. That's not us. It's Facebook, Yelp, Affordable Painting again, and that's us. So we're number three. Let's take a look at Wood Fence in Peoria, Illinois. That's us, number one. Let's take a look at how about Vinyl Fence in Bloomington, Illinois. We're number three. Best Fence Company, Peoria, Illinois. We're number one. And even let's just try some back pages and see where we rank. How about Wood Fence? And there we are again, number one. So again, I just want to show you that ranking is something we're good at, and we're going to teach you how to do it as well. When they're in these top spots, 1, 2, or 3, or even 4, you're producing leads. And then we can, once we get, let's say you're in spot 3 or 4, now we can go back and we can tweak that site and get it moving up even higher. So I just want to show you that it is realistic. We can do it. You can do it. And once you learn how to do it, it's just a way to print money. So we'll also show you how you want to set up individual Google profiles, because you're going to have individual Google emails for each of your sites. So it's very important to have those separate so that you can track everything, all the leads going to the right business. And then finally, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the possibilities. So let's say you had 5 websites rented at $500 a month. That's $30,000 a year. Passive residual income. Once these are up and running, you don't have to touch them. Let's say you had one of them at $1,500 a month. That's $18,000 a year. 2, it's 36. And let's say you had 3 of them at $1,500 a month. That's $54,000 a year. Let's go up a little higher. Let's say we have one of them at $3,000 a month. That's $36,000 a year. What if we had 3 of them at $3,000 a month? That's $108,000 a year for just 3 sites. And a $3,000 rental price is not out of the question or out of line. We do that. So we're going to teach you how to price it the right way so it's fair for both you and the customer. I mean, not, a guy who goes out and paints bedrooms is not going to be paying $3,000 a month, because his net profit's only going to be probably a couple $100 on a job. So these do exist, and that's what we're going to teach you to go after, is these high end. Now imagine if you had 10 of these, how much you're making. Okay, so, and over time, once you get a site set up, we're going to teach you how to hit duplicate. You have a site set up, it's running in a certain city. There's a button you push that says copy. The site will be duplicated. Now you just go and change the content for that city you're moving into. So it doesn't take long to get these up, get them ranking, and get them rented. So I'm really excited you're part of this. It's just on fire what's happening right now. The world's going more and more digital. People who don't have a website know they need one. People who have one and aren't getting leads from it need to be educated on what that website should be doing and why they're not getting leads, because we can help all of them. And I'm really happy to be a part of your journey towards financial independence.